Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the area safe. Ignition off and door open so the dome circuit stays inactive. Once done, protect the lens edge with tape and use a thin flat pry or trim tool to avoid scratching. You want to press the lens tab at one side and pull gently, feel for release. Do this slowly. The plastic is brittle. Removing the lens exposes the bulb and socket immediately, so you can inspect contact corrosion and the bulb type before proceeding. You now remove the bulb assembly carefully. First, note the bulb type on the base so you order the exact replacement. Compatibility matters for fit and brightness. Once noted, twist or pull the socket straight out depending on Vios trim. Don't lever sideways. Inspect contacts for green corrosion, clean with a small wire brush or contact cleaner if needed. Install the new bulb, seating it fully. Do not touch the glass with bare fingers because oils shorten lamp life. That prevents misfit. You finish by aligning the lens and pressing until both tabs click. Make sure it sits evenly to avoid rattles. Once reassembled, test the light with the door open and cycle the dome switch through all positions to verify interior and door activated modes. If the new lamp flickers or doesn't light, make sure the bulb is seated fully and the contacts are clean. Check the inline fuse for the interior circuit as a last step. If problems persist, you may need a replacement socket or wiring repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.